And we are back for another video, no? So ito yung ating Army Armament Alpha na block. So yan, kung makikita nyo, nakalabas yung magazine kasi extended siya. So 45 rounds, no? 50 to 45 rounds, 45 to 50 rounds. So naka-premium na grip, naka-magwell, all metal, di ba? Full metal. Tapos naka-compensator, rail for attachment, naka-fixed barrel, yan, naka-ready na rin siya for optic sights, no? Yan, yung mga RMR, pwede yan. So, yan, naka-ano na rin siya, hammer pad protection. And yan, kompletong-kompleto yung markings natin, no? Premium na premium, oh. Ayan, no? TTI markings, complete with TTI markings. So, yan, license to, mga boss, original. So, yun, test fire natin, no? Army Armament Alpha. Test fire. So ayan, nagana na siya, nag-slide lock na, no, mga boss. Ibig sabihin wala na siyang bala. So release the magazine, release the slide, and hammer down. Maraming salamat, mga boss.